Hello guys, Sweet Inspiration Alethea here again. Here is another video for you. This is New Look 6791, and as you can see, it's an easy just for knit pattern. So here is my knit, and there is the pattern. As you can see, I already cut it out and basted it together. This is a simple top. Here are your pattern pieces, and it's only 4 pieces. So in the beginning, they ask you to label your left and right pieces, so you won't get confused. And here's the sleeve. I basted it enough together so I can try it on to see how it measures. As you can see on my body, as you can see, it's cropped a lot more than I would like it. And by me being small, I thought that it would hit me just where I wanted and it wouldn't be too long, and plus because of the hem. So did not, but we going on with it anyway. Okay, so here's your pocket. The back is, the pockets are pressed towards the front, and clip the back edges of the pocket. And I have opened the seams up and basted the pocket across the front and trim the pocket. Yes, guys, this thorough knit is definitely my favorite. Definitely will most likely be going into a sweater. Love it, or some sort of top. Gorgeous color. Thank you for watching and coming to the channel to view my contents. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please let me know what you think about the fabric in the comment section and what you would make out of it. That's it for now until the next video. Sweet inspirations to all. Bye.